What if I told you some of the easiest plants to grow don't need soil at all? Imagine skipping the mess, the bugs and the heavy bags of potting mix, yet still enjoying lush greenery at home. For many, gardening feels out of reach, especially with today's unpredictable climate. Heat waves, droughts and floods make traditional gardening tough, even for plant lovers. But here's the twist. In 2026, soil-free gardening is booming. People everywhere are turning to hydroponics and water culture, not just because it's trendy, but because it works. Growing plants in water means less waste, fewer pests, and a lot less stress, plus, it looks amazing. Today, I'm counting down 5 super adaptable plants that thrive without soil, perfect for beginners, apartment dwellers, or anyone wanting to future-proof their green space. Ready to see which plants made the list? Let's dive into the world of water-grown wonders. If you've ever walked into a home and noticed a vibrant green vine trailing gracefully from a simple jar of water, you've already encountered one of the most beloved houseplants around. Meet the pothos, also known as the money plant, a true classic in indoor gardening. This plant is the ultimate indoor gardening superhero, tough, forgiving, and perfect for anyone who wants to try their hand at water culture. Whether you're a seasoned plant parent or a total beginner, Pothos is almost impossible to mess up. All you need to do is snip a healthy stem, pop it into a jar or glass of clean water, and place it somewhere with bright, indirect sunlight, like a sunny windowsill or a well-lit shelf. In just a few days you'll see roots begin to sprout. No soil, no complicated steps, and absolutely no mess. It's almost like magic watching those white roots unfurl and grow stronger each day. Pothos is incredibly adaptable. It tolerates both warm, sunny spots and those tricky low-light corners where most plants struggle. As long as you keep the water fresh and change it every week or so, your pothos will keep thriving. Its trailing vines can climb, hang, or wrap around shelves, curtain rods, or even picture frames, letting you get creative with your home decor. You can let it cascade down from a high shelf or train it to climb up a trellis for a lush, jungle-like effect. But pothos isn't just about looks, it's a natural air purifier, known for removing toxins like formaldehyde, benzene, and xylene from your indoor air. Having a few pothos around can actually make your home healthier and fresher. In the wild, pothos climbs tall trees in tropical forests, stretching toward the sunlight. At home, it's just as happy in a mason jar or glass vase, bringing a touch of the tropics to your living space. Growing pothos hydroponically uses less water than traditional soil-grown plants, making it a smart choice for drought-prone areas or anyone looking to conserve water. Plus, there's no risk of overwatering or root rot. If you're a forgetful plant parent, don't worry. Pothos is famously low maintenance. Even if you forget to top up the water for a few days, it will keep growing with minimal attention. When your plant gets too crowded or leggy, just trim the stems and start new cuttings in water. It's easy, fun, and endlessly rewarding to watch your collection multiply. If you want a plant that's hard to kill, easy on the eyes, and perfect for our fast-paced, ever-changing world, Pothos is your new best friend. Its glossy leaves and trailing vines fit right in with any style, from modern minimalism to cozy boho. Once you try growing pothos in water, you'll wonder why you ever bothered with messy soil. It's a cleaner, simpler way to enjoy lush greenery indoors. With pothos you get instant greenery, cleaner air, and zero mess, all in one beautiful, easy-to-care-for package. So if you're ready for a plant that thrives on neglect, looks fantastic in any room and brings a breath of fresh air to your home, give pothos a try. It's the ultimate starter plant for your soil-free hydroponic indoor garden. You can even share cuttings with friends and family, spreading the green love. No green thumb required, just a glass of water, a little sunlight, and a bit of patience. That's all it takes to start your own thriving indoor jungle. Watch as your pothos grows, purifies your air, and transforms your space into a lush, inviting sanctuary. With pothos you'll discover that gardening can be simple, stylish, and sustainable, no matter how busy your life gets. Next up is the spider plant, Chlorophytum comosum, a true superstar among houseplants, instantly recognizable by its graceful arching leaves and the adorable baby spiderettes that dangle from mature plants like living ornaments. This plant isn't just a pretty face, it's a botanical marvel that brings both beauty and function into your home. Spider plants are absolute propagation champs. All you need to do is snip off a spiderette, pop it into a glass of water, and within just a few days, you'll see roots start to sprout. It's almost magical how quickly these little offshoots transform into independent plants, making it incredibly easy to multiply your collection or share with friends and family. Growing spider plants in water means you get a front row seat to the fascinating process of root development. Watching the roots stretch and branch out in real time turns your windowsill into a living science experiment. Perfect for curious kids or anyone who loves to observe nature up close. Spider plants are nearly impossible to mess up. Even if you forget to change the water for a while, they'll keep on growing, forgiving your neglect with their resilient nature. They're the definition of a forgiving houseplant, thriving where others might struggle. All they really need is a spot with bright, indirect light and the occasional water top-up. With just these basics, they'll reward you by continuously producing fresh, vibrant green leaves and new spiderettes, keeping your space lively and lush. But the spider plant's talents don't stop at easy care. According to NASA's famous air purification study, spider plants are among the best at removing indoor air pollutants like carbon monoxide, formaldehyde, and xylene. They quietly work in the background, helping to create a cleaner, healthier environment for you and your loved ones. Their quirky, playful look fits seamlessly into any decor style. Hang them in baskets, line them up on a sunny shelf, or let their baby spiderettes cascade from a window ledge. No matter where you place them, they add a touch of whimsy and freshness to your home. Start with just one spider plant, and before you know it, you'll have a whole collection sprouting from water cuttings. It's a fun, rewarding hobby that can quickly fill your home with greenery, or provide endless gifts for friends. Spider plants are perfect for busy people, students, or anyone with an unpredictable schedule. They don't demand constant attention, making them ideal for workspaces, dorm rooms, or any spot where you want a splash of green without the fuss. For best results, use filtered or distilled water to prevent brown tips on the leaves, but don't stress too much. These plants are incredibly tough and adaptable. Even if you slip up, they'll keep on thriving. If you're short on space or live in a place with unpredictable weather, spider plants prove you don't need a garden or even a balcony to enjoy vibrant, living greenery. They're perfectly happy on a windowsill, desk, or any bright spot indoors. All it takes is a simple glass of water, a little sunlight, and you're set. No fancy equipment or complicated routines required, just the basics, and your spider plant will flourish. Watch as your spider plant thrives and multiplies, sending out new shoots and baby plants with ease. You don't need a green thumb, just a bit of curiosity and a willingness to let nature do its thing. The spider plant truly is the ultimate low-maintenance, high-reward houseplant. With its air-purifying powers, forgiving nature, and endless ability to propagate, it's a must-have for anyone looking to bring a little more life and freshness into their home. Let's talk about Lucky Bamboo, an iconic water-grown plant that's become a staple in offices, homes, and even small apartments around the world. Its elegant, upright stalks and lush green leaves make it instantly recognizable, and it's often the first plant people think of when they imagine a touch of nature indoors. Here's a fun fact. Despite its name, Lucky Bamboo isn't actually bamboo at all. It's a type of Dracaena, specifically Dracaena sanderiana. This plant is perfectly adapted to thrive in water, needing only a few pebbles at the base for support and stability. Its resilience and adaptability are part of what make it so beloved. Lucky Bamboo truly defines low-maintenance living. All you need is a clear vase, some decorative stones, and enough water to keep the roots comfortably submerged. There's no need for complicated soil mixes or constant attention, just a simple setup that anyone can manage. It doesn't require soil, fertilizer, or even much sunlight. In fact, indirect light is ideal, making it perfect for spaces that don't get a lot of natural sun. Place it near a window with filtered light, and it will flourish without fuss. Across many cultures, Lucky Bamboo is more than just a plant. It's a symbol of good fortune, prosperity, and harmony. That's why it's a popular gift for housewarmings, new businesses, or anyone starting a new chapter in life. In Feng Shui, it's believed to attract positive energy and balance to any space. Taking care of Lucky Bamboo couldn't be easier. Just make sure the roots are always submerged in water, change the water once a week, and give the vase a quick rinse to prevent algae buildup. This simple routine keeps your plant healthy and vibrant. If your tap water is high in chlorine or other chemicals, consider using filtered or distilled water. This small step can make a big difference in keeping the leaves lush and green, especially if you notice any yellowing or browning. One of the most remarkable things about Lucky Bamboo is its ability to thrive on neglect. Even if you forget about it for a week or two, it will keep growing, quietly adding new leaves and height. It's the ultimate plant for busy people or frequent travelers. The stalks can live for years, slowly but steadily growing taller and fuller. Over time, you'll notice new shoots and leaves emerging, a gentle reminder of nature's patience and persistence. With a little patience and creativity, you can even train the stalks into spirals, loops, or braids. This adds a personal, artistic touch to your arrangement, and makes your Lucky Bamboo truly one of a kind. Its clean lines and vibrant green leaves complement any decor, from minimalist modern to cozy traditional. Lucky Bamboo brings a calming, peaceful presence to your space, making it a perfect accent for desks, shelves, or coffee tables. Lucky Bamboo is especially ideal for places with water restrictions, unpredictable weather, or where soil-based plants struggle. Since it grows hydroponically, there's no mess, no soil to spill, and no worries about overwatering. If you want to encourage faster growth, you can add a single drop of liquid fertilizer to the water once a month. But honestly, Lucky Bamboo is perfectly content to grow at its own pace, even without extra nutrients. This plant is all about embracing simplicity, patience, and a sense of calm, qualities that are often missing in our fast-paced lives. Watching it grow can be a gentle daily reminder to slow down and appreciate the little things. For beginners, busy professionals, or anyone who wants a splash of green without the hassle, Lucky Bamboo is a true winner. It's forgiving, adaptable, and always looks fresh. Give Lucky Bamboo a try and you might just find yourself feeling a little luckier, a little calmer, and a lot more connected to nature every single day. Orchids have a fussy reputation, but most actually prefer to grow without soil. In nature, they cling to trees or rocks, drawing moisture from the air and rain. Their roots are covered in velamen, a spongy layer that soaks up water and nutrients. At home, grow orchids in bark, moss, or even suspended in air, just mist them regularly. Many orchids, like the Phalaenopsis, are surprisingly tough and easy to care for. Place them in bright, indirect light, water weekly, and enjoy months of blooms. The biggest mistake? Overwatering. Let roots dry out between waterings for best results. Orchids add color and elegance to any room, with blooms in every shade imaginable. They use less water than many soil-grown plants and thrive in containers, ideal for small spaces. Some species even help regulate indoor humidity, making your home more comfortable. Don't be intimidated. Orchids are easier and more rewarding than you think. With the right setup, they're a stunning, sustainable choice for any home. Finally, let's talk herbs, like mint and basil, that you can grow right in water. Snip a healthy cutting, strip the lower leaves, and place the stem in a jar of water. Roots appear in days, giving you a mini herb garden on your kitchen windowsill. No soil needed, perfect for small spaces. Line up jars on a shelf or counter, and enjoy fresh herbs year-round. Water-grown herbs mean fewer pests, no mess, and no worries about over or underwatering. Change the water weekly and your herbs will keep producing tasty leaves. Fresh herbs elevate your cooking, pizza, tea, salads, and more. All from your own kitchen. They're great gifts too. Root a few stems and share with friends or neighbors. Growing herbs in water is sustainable. Use only what you need with no wasted resources. If roots look brown or slimy, rinse them and refresh the water. Start small, grow your own food, and add life to your kitchen with water-grown herbs. They're the ultimate low-commitment, high-reward plants. Proof that gardening can float on water. Which soil-free plant will you try first? Money plant, spider plant, lucky bamboo, orchids, or fresh herbs? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this look at the future of gardening, like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more green inspiration.